Hello everybody, my name is Alo. Welcome to this video series where we are solving Codeforces problems in Python. We are doing the A to OJ ladder, and in this episode we are solving problem 228A, which is called is your horseshoe on the other hoof. Okay, this is a very simple problem if you are solving Codeforces problems in Python, because there's a lot of stuff that is already done for you in Python. Okay, so let's just go ahead and see how to solve this problem. Okay, so let's go ahead and read through the problem once. They're saying Valera the horse is going to party with his friends, okay? And he has been following the fashion trends for a while now, and he knows that it's very popular to wear all horseshoes of different color. And Valera has 4 horseshoes left from last year, but maybe some of them have the same color. In this case, he needs to go to the store and buy some few horseshoes, right? So that he doesn't have to lose face in front of his stylish comrades. What they're saying is Valera has to have 4 unique horseshoes, and he has some horseshoes from last year. And what they're asking now is there is a store that sells horseshoe of all colors, and Valera has enough money to buy any 4 of them, but he wants to spend as little as possible because he wants to save money. Okay, so what they're saying is Valera already has some horseshoes, and they're saying if this he does not have 4 different horseshoes, find out how many more horseshoes that he needs to buy to have 4 horseshoes of different colors. Okay, I hope you're understanding what this question is trying to say. Let's just go ahead and work out an example as well. What the input looks like is this line will have numbers S1, S2, S3, S4. These are nothing but colors converted to integers. So 1 means one color, 7 means one color, 3 means one color. These can be any numbers, okay? But same number means same color. I think that you should understand. So in this particular case, 1733. Valera has 4 horseshoes, but only 3 of them, this and this, are distinct. So he has 173 as distinct horseshoes, which means he has to go ahead and buy one more horseshoe, so that he has 4 horseshoes of distinct color. Okay, so that's why the output is 1. He has to buy one horseshoe. So how are we going to solve this? We're going to be using something called as a set in Python. Okay, set is very useful for problems like these, and I'll tell you why. Because all you need to do is one particular function. Just take this as list and put set of list, and you'll get the values 173 by default. Okay, and this also supports methods like len, so you can find out what is the length of this, and you can just go ahead and subtract from 4 whatever this length is. You'll get how much you need to buy. So in this case it'll be 3, so 4 minus 3 will be 1. That will be your answer. For those who don't know what a set is basically a data structure where you can only have distinct elements. Okay, so those can be strings, those can be integers, whatever it is, but it should be unique. Every element in a set should be unique. This is what it is represented by. Don't confuse this with dictionaries. That is completely different. But sets are basically, it has this curly braces, that's all, but they have unique elements. So 173 is a set in this case. Okay, so that's all we're going to do. We're going to take this as a list, we're going to convert that into a set, and we're going to subtract that from 4 because here Valera needs 4 different horseshoes, right? So that minus how much different horseshoes he has now will be the amount of horseshoes that he needs to buy. That's it. So let's move on with the code now. As you can see, the code will be very simple, probably 2 or 3 lines. Right, so first let's just go ahead and take this particular line as input. So that will be list of map of in comma input dot rstrip dot split. Okay, I hope you're able to understand what this particular line means. If you don't, we're taking a string input, we're removing the trailing space, and we're splitting it, converting that into integers, and then mapping them onto a list. So this will have elements 1733. That'll be a list. Okay, second, what we're doing, we're converting that particular list into a set. So we can call our set as something like set of list, something like that. We can say list of set of this particular list. We have the set now. Now we need to find the length of this set. We can call it something like that, n, and we'll say len of this particular set list. Okay, then we'll go ahead and print what? 4 minus n. That will be the number of horseshoes that Valera has to buy now. So if you go ahead and run this, you can see both the test cases have passed. It's only 4 lines, but you can kind of put this into 2 lines. You can combine or 3 lines actually. You can combine these 2 lines together. But yeah, that's it, guys. Or you can actually do it in 2 lines. You can combine all three of these lines together also. Let me just go ahead and submit the solution to show you guys that this solution works. I hope you're able to understand what we're trying to do here. I hope you're able to understand how the problem is broken down. It's very simple, especially as I said, if you're doing in Python. Python has some of these advantages because of how the language is. So that's why I like doing CP in Python. So as you can see, our solution got accepted. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, hit that like button. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.